What is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll and Messenger. So let's get started. First, you have to open your Messenger app. Now to create a poll, you typically look for the four dotted icon next to the camera icon. However, polls are only available in group chats, not on individual conversations. Head to a group chat and tap on the four dotted icon. You should see the option for polls. Sometimes Messenger automatically detects poll-like questions, but if not, you can create one manually. You just have to tap on polls and start by entering your questions and options. For example, what's your favorite color? Add options like blue, red, or anything others you'd like. Once you've added your options, tap on Create Poll. Now, participants in the group chat can vote by selecting their preferred option and submitting their vote. Quick, simple, and easy, right? Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.